Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show you guys how I made this spicy noodles. I love cooking, so I want to start incorporating cooking to my YouTube channel, and let me know if you guys like videos like this. I'm just kind of experimenting right here. So for the ingredients today, I used my spring onions, my tomatoes, red bell pepper, orange red bell pepper, and yellow red bell pepper. I also had about 2-3 tomatoes cut up. And then I have my raw deveined shrimps. I like raw shrimps because I like to season it myself. And then I'm also having my mixed veggies here as well. I think one of the key ingredients here was my ginger garlic paste. And then these are my seasonings that I have. And then for the noodles, it's going to be Indomie. Guys, I mean, I've tried several noodles, and Indomie is still the best. So I put paprika here, onions, garlic powder, and a little bit of salt in my shrimp. That's how I like to season it. And then I'm adding a little bit of oil, heat that up, and then we're going to cook the shrimp first. So the shrimp will be cooked not too long, because shrimp does cook fast. So you only want to cook it for about 3 minutes or so, until it's kind of like pinkish like this. Then yes, and then I use the remaining oil. I kind of put in my onions first. So I like to saute my onions because I love the scent of onions. So you want to fry that for a little bit. Sorry, my camera was not in focus here, but I was just frying that. And then I just added my peppers as well with that. So that's what I did. So I added all my peppers. Well, actually no, I added my tomatoes first. Sorry guys, I added my tomatoes first, and then I added my peppers. So yeah, that's what I did. It's pretty easy. By the way, I also kind of parboiled my noodles on the side. So I already boiled them on the side, and then just put them in a in a sieve. So I'm adding my peppers here now. I like color, guys. So I like my food to look attractive, and if it doesn't look attractive, then I don't know, it's just not inviting for me. Also, the reason why I like to use Indomie, the brand, is because I like the seasoning of Indomie. It doesn't have that weird taste, or maybe because I grew up eating Indomie, so it just seems pretty normal for me. But this is what it looks like with the peppers, the tomatoes, and everything else. This is just what it looks like. Sorry, my camera was a little bit shaky. And then I added my mixed veggies as well. Let that kind of cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then I added my cooked shrimp as well that I already cooked, which I liked. And then I added my dry seasoning. And then I added the noodles seasoning as well. One thing with cooking is I feel like you just need to season your food. So every time you add something, you want to add a layer of seasoning to just kind of like, make the flavor come out. Okay, what am I saying? But you guys know what I'm saying. Okay, so cook that for a little bit, just make sure everything is kind of looking good, and then I added my noodles. Oh, and another thing, what made my noodles kind of pop out more is paprika. So paprika just makes your food come out even more. And then I added water to kind of like separate the noodles, because it was already out for a while. So it was kind of like joined together. So I just put that there, let it heat up for a little bit for like 2 more minutes, and we were good to go. And so I served my food with roasted chicken that I had already. If you guys want me to show you how I do my chicken, I will make a video. And then I just put the onions, the spring onions. We call it spring onions in Nigeria. I don't remember the word right now. I just added a little bit, not all. And then I added the rest after I was done cooking. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if you like this kind of videos. I do plan on, shooting more videos like this if you guys want. And I'll be in touch. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.